What's going on, guys? I'm out here on the Chattahoochee River. Just got off work, still in work clothes and everything. I was like, might as well stop by and see if I can get a bite or something. But there's a dam behind me, and I am fishing with crankbait. I can't remember which one it is, but heck yeah, I'm gonna see if I can snag me something and make some content for y'all. So stay tuned. Watch me walk up on a snake. Yeah, I'm gonna bust my tail. Oh, raccoon. I don't know if y'all seen that duck just disappear in the water. He's out there somewhere though. Oh, popped up down there. I swear. There he goes again. He's down again. He's saying he's hungry. He about to find him something to eat. That dude just swam so far. That's awesome. Uh-oh. Comes the rain. Be alright. Good. Got me a rain jacket on. I'm good. I just need to make good old fish. They just don't want this thing today. It's a cool day too. They probably all over the place. They probably ain't on a bank or anything like that. It's probably spread out. Hot days, they be in deep water. Cooler days, be spread out more towards the top. So I am using a crankbait, so it's diving. Like a lemon or water or something. I'm gonna tell you this pole. It is the Pin Battle 2. And the rail 2. It's a good one. Let's see if y'all can get that. Nope, it's upside down. Hold up. Upside down. There you go. But rail 2. So it's a pin rail. Ratio is 6 to 2. Give me a little back. 6 to 2. Water now. Water now. It's a good one. The only thing I don't like about it is the handle. It's got the fat one for the 2 fingers on it, where you can really crank on it. But other than that, it's awesome. But you can change these out. You know, I think they're like $100 on Amazon or something like that. I got a braided line on here. I want to say this is a BKT shad. So that's that. It was already on here because we went on a lake, on West Point Lake, fished the other day. It was the other weekend or the weekend before. And that's what they was wanting. They was after it. And they caught a few. Not go check that video out. And watch it. It's bass fishing on West Point Lake. You like it? Hit that like button for me. Give me a good old thumbs up. So probably gonna end up doing a video of my kayak and my tackle box and everything I've done in my kayak and stuff like that. That'll be 2 videos. Kayak 1 video. Tackle box 2. I got a special made tackle box for my kayak. And it is a crate box. So I don't carry this any old tackle box. I carry a milk crate, and it just works out perfect for a kayak. But alright, enough of me talking. Let's get back to fishing. So first cast out beside this tree. This tree right here. Ripping lips, baby. Let's get it. Let's get them. Oh yeah. Hold up now. Hold up. He's a wild one. He's a wild one. He went with it. He was up under that log. It's awesome. So my finger's in the way. Be alright. Look at this dude. I should have brought a tripod or something, but making it work. Making it work. Whew. Heck yeah, look at that thing. That's what I'm talking about. I love fishing. I love it. It's an adrenaline pump for me. Not my biggest one, but it'll sure do for the day. He's a pretty one. He's a pretty one. Ripping lips, baby. And get a good old release on him. There he goes. Back at it. Sorry if camera's got a weird angle to it or something like that, you know. Sitting on a log right now. No. Oh yeah. Thing got hung up. About to end the video right there. I got it though. I got it. I jumped some good old bait fish while I was at it. But there's a bunch of bait fish right here. I'm gonna get hung up again, watch this. Nope. I'm still excited about that fish I caught. I didn't think I was gonna catch nothing. I just come out here to have fun, you know. Make a little video. Didn't think I was really gonna catch anything. But I be dang. I got it. I got him. Crazy if I caught the same fish twice. That's something you'll never do. Never. I don't want to say never, but it'll be very, very hard. As y'all know, whenever you have they do these fishing tournaments or whatever, they go fishing, they catch a fish on the other side of the lake, miles down from the marina where they're doing the tournament at. Well, DNR put a tracker in a fish one time and watched it go back to the exact same spot that it was caught from the marina. It don't care if it's miles away or whatever, it goes back to that same spot. It's crazy how they know where they came from and which way to go. But I guess that's their world and this is ours. So thank the good Lord to put them on this earth. I freaking love them. Well guys, finally got me another one. I'm right here at the dam. Got an old crankbait. Put up a good little fight. But I'm gonna toss him back. He's a little bitty. I want one of them big ones. There ain't no good way to throw a fish back over here. Just don't. Best way you can do it over here. Guys, well, I went to a couple spots. Didn't catch nothing but them two, but I was happy with it because this really wasn't a go fishing day. Now I gotta work. Got off work early. I went fishing. So I caught that one on the river, and then I went up right against the dam and caught a little hybrid. Put up a good little fight, but sorry the video is pretty crappy because I'm on my phone. I don't have no tripods, no nothing, so I had to be propping it up everywhere. And so sorry about that. But Sunday, yeah, Sunday, we on the kayaks. Cause my buddy and maybe somebody else. So be a good day. Supposed to be a good day. Maybe we'll catch some good old fish. So till next time, folks. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, you know, if you like this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. You want to go kayaking with me? Drop it in kayak. I'll find a way to get in touch with you, and we will set a place and time. So, alright. Y'all have a wonderful day, and thank y'all for watching.